All right, if it takes 34 joules of work, positive work, to move a negative charge from plate A to plate B, what is the potential difference? Which plate is more positive, A or B? And we've got the potential. Okay, so the formulas we're going to use here for this number one, it will either be work is charge times change in electrical potential, or work is mass times change in gravitational potential. Okay, so let's just figure this out. We've got plate A, right? We've got plate B. Okay, we're doing positive work on a negative charge. Okay, that means that as we push it to B, we're doing positive work on it, which means that we have to exert a force to make it go that direction. It doesn't want to go that way, right? And so if a positive or negative charge does not want to go toward plate B, that must mean plate B is negatively charged and plate A is positively charged. Okay, so A is the more positive charge. Okay, so if it's positive work, remember that means we have to exert a force to do it. We're actually doing work. If it's negative work, it means that the charge is doing work on us. Okay, we're doing negative work on the charge. Okay, all right. So let's see. Let's see if we can get the formula to give us an answer, though, right? So we're going to use, of course, our electrical formula, right? So positive. And I'm going to say that this direction is our positive direction from A to B, right? So positive 34 joules, right, is equal to negative 250 microcoulombs, right, times our change in potential as we go from here to here. Okay, so our change in voltage, electrical, right? So now I'm just going to divide. I'm going to go 34 divide, which is, the math of this thing is actually pretty simple. It's just divide or multiply or something like that, right? Okay, so divided by 250. Whoops, I just divided twice. 250 e minus 6, 136,000, right? But it's negative, right? So the change in potential is negative 136,000, right? What is the potential difference? Now, see, I'm asking just for difference, right? That could be a positive or a negative. But just think about this, right? I just got a negative number, okay? And if you think about this is, of course, joules per coulomb, right? It's joules per coulomb. Same thing, right? Okay. If I go from A to B and I go down, my change of potential is negative 136 volts. That means that B is the more negative. I'm going toward the negative. That's what that means, right? So the more positive plate is A. Okay, so there's two ways to do this. I honestly don't do the math with the minus signs and all this stuff. What I do is I draw a picture. I go, look, if I'm doing positive work to make a negative charge go to plate B must be repelling it, must be the same charge as that. Plate A must be attracting it. Okay, so A is the more positive.